Now we're going to learn how to purl. For purling, the yarn stays on the front of your needle. You're going to take your knitting needle and go from back to front and wrap the yarn around the needle, pull it to the back of the work, and then lift it off the needle. Again, you are going back to front, wrapping the yarn around, pulling it to the back and off the knitting needle. Purl is the opposite of the knit stitch. So the yarn is to the front of your work. You're putting the knitting needle back to front, pulling to the back of your work and off the needle. Wrap, back, off. Through, wrap, back, off. Through, wrap, back, off. Through, wrap, back, off. Through. Remember to keep your stitches loose. It'll help you when you get to the next row. Through, wrap, back, off. And you have completed your first purl row. Great job. And you'll notice that the front is bumpy and the back is going to be smooth. This is stockinette stitch, where you knit a row, turn your work, purl a row, turn your work,